Welcome, today I am with E63 S AMG, and today I will show you how we can set winter tire limit. So at first we have to grab our touch screen and we have to simply move for settings. Right now we have to go for the vehicle and tap on winter tires limit. As you can see, we can turn it off or just set it up between 240 kilometers per hour and 160 kilometers per hour. So you can decide what you want to get. I'm going to set it up on the 200, and after that we can finally go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.